Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a message in a chat on the X app. Whether you typed too quickly, made a spelling mistake, or simply want to change something you wrote, editing your message is simple and only takes a few steps. Let's walk through it together. First, open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the message icon. This will bring you directly to your inbox where you can see all your conversations. Next, choose the chat or conversation where the message you want to edit is located. Simply tap on the conversation to open it, and then scroll to find the exact message that needs to be changed. Once you've found your message, press and hold down on it. After a brief moment, a menu will appear with different options. From this menu, select Edit Message. This will allow you to make changes directly to your message, just like you would if you were typing a new one. At this point, the original text will be ready to edit. You can fix typos, add extra details, or rewrite the entire message if needed. When you're finished making your changes, confirm your edit. The message will then update in the conversation, and your chat will show the corrected version. Editing messages is a small but powerful feature that helps you communicate more clearly and avoid small mistakes that can cause confusion. Instead of sending follow-up corrections or deleting messages altogether, you can quickly polish your words and keep the conversation flowing smoothly. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've learned how to edit a message in a chat on the X app. Open the app, head into your messages, tap into a conversation, press and hold your message, and then choose Edit Message. Now that you know these steps, you'll never have to worry about sending a message you can't fix. It's an easy way to stay in control of your chats and make sure your conversations look exactly the way you want them to.